The 45th gift, the way to alchemize the shadow and raise the vibration, synergy. Synergy can be applied into many dimensions and has many meanings. We come into synergy when we're in a state of trust, unity with the whole. When all the genetic codons within our DNA, our cells, create a harmonic resonance, it's like when you put a magnet beneath a piece of paper that is covered with iron filings, and they all form this beautiful organized pattern. But the magnet field itself in the pattern is invincible, and the universe is like that. Trust is like that. We just come into alignment with the whole of the cosmos. We feel calm, at ease, no matter what we're going through. Synergy takes place like this on an individual level within the chemistry of our DNA, and it also takes place collectively as we come into alignment with each other. Synergy is a bit of a buzzword that is often applied to a group dynamic that is functioning smoothly creatively. Once we realize that we no longer have to compete with each other in order to survive and thrive, the next stage is to figure out how to work together, and this can be a great challenge. But the 45th I Ching is an expert at this. It is not so much about teamwork as much as it's about facilitation. And that's because the 45th gift knows that any group has its own self-organized principle, and if it's given enough time and space, it will eventually find a natural higher harmony. Every group has its own identity, chemistry, and higher purpose, but it's quite a journey to get there. We have to navigate the collective shadow, which is often expressed through an individual or certain individuals. And those individuals, we have to realize they're carrying the shadow for the whole group. So the group has to work through that. And it can be a very creative, empowering purpose for everyone. But it does require commitment, empathy, patience, and of course, trust. So synergy is like a healing wave that rushes through the human genome. It balances and equalizes different chemistries, making a group, a higher group awareness possible. And this is our future awareness. Any group that comes together for a higher purpose can experience this transformation. The wave of synergy is an aspect of the evolutionary impulse at work. It's the creative field of transformation, as the old themes of dominance are set aside in favor of the new awareness. So this self-organized principle, it exists in all levels of the cosmos, and it's even there within the shadow frequency. You see, for a long time, scientists have thought that life moves from order towards